What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel once again, and welcome back to Lions Academy. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create a ShareAsale account with just your mobile phone. In the previous videos I've made a lot of videos on how to create ShareAsale account, but I made that video on a computer. So I'm going to show you guys how to create a ShareAsale account with just your mobile phone. So without further ado, first of all, what you need to do is to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and then like the video so that it will reach more people. So let's get down to today's business. So first of all, you just have to get your phone and get your browser ready. So first of all, I'm going to use Chrome browser, so I'll hit on my Chrome browser over here. So as you can see over here, so now I'm just going to open this, and I'm going to this search button over here and click and search for ShareAsale. Alright, so now you can see over here, let me search for that. And whenever you search for it, okay, my data is off, sorry guys. So whenever you search for ShareAsale, you click on the first link for you to continue with the sign up process. So you can see over here, that I have a lot of over here says partner with ShareAsale to become part of our trusted affiliate marketing network. So first of all, you hit on that for this first link over here and wait for it to load over here. So now you can see it's we've reached on the dashboard of ShareAsale over here. Now what you need to do is to click on these three lines over here, this top section, these three lines on the top section over here, and you come to this section where it says affiliate. Yes, you click on this drop down menu over here. Yes, just click on this drop down menu over here, and then become a merchant preview. So just hit on that, and you can see sign up to ShareAsale. So you just have to click on sign up to ShareAsale. Okay, so now you can see over here it says affiliate account creation. So now you just have to choose your first username over here. Now this username can be your nickname, so just type in your username over here. So like, alright, so now, and you create your strong password. Just create a strong password over here. So now the password, as for that one, I'll click create that, and then alright, so let me use this one over here, and then just confirm this same password over here because of security reasons. And then we come to this section where it says select your country. So there all the countries are being listed over here. So just scroll down to the section where you find your country. So all the countries are being listed over here. So you can see it starts from the A to Z country. So now you come to the section where it says Ghana. So because I'm currently in Ghana, so I'll just select Ghana over here and hit on step 2 over here. So now after hitting on step 2, what you need to do, or you need to get yourself now, is to get yourself a website. So what are you going to do if you don't have a website? So I'll just save this password over here. What are you supposed to do if you don't have a website? You just go out there, search for a browser, go to your browser section, and then search for any website or make money online niche, any niche that you are in. You just have to search for that and you scroll. So let me show you guys how to do it. So go to the section where it says Google. Alright, so you go to Google. Alright, so let me search for Google and show you guys. Oh, I'm not here to open my AdSense account, so just go back and come to the section where it says make money online. So let's take it yeah, make money online. Just search for that, make money online over here, and then come to this section. So you can see most people are writing articles over how to make money online and all those stuff. So you just have to scroll to the bottom section and hit on more. But if you are using a computer, it will show you next. So you just have to go to the third or fourth page before you copy any website address, because if you select or choose a website from the first page, Google, these people are going to see that you just copied any website, random website, and you pasted it there. So you just have to go to the open first and to the third or fourth page before you copy any website if you don't have a website. So let's go back to the section. So now you can see username over here. So I just have to log into that over here. let me log into that, and you go to the section where it says login. So now I'm just here to complete everything. So you see it says website, just we are on the third page over here. So let me go to the section where it says website. So you just have to copy and paste my website URL over here. So I'll just go to my go to the section. If you have the website URL on your name and your mind, you can just leave it here over here. So let me type in that. All right, so I already have my website name, my head, or I have the URL over here. Okay, so let me just type in that over here, and guys, this is it. So I will just go to the button section and see your it's written about, it's written in which language. So you just have to select your language over here, and you can select, does your contain adult content. You have to select no, and then does you utilize sponsor listing, pay per click, search engine, all those stuffs. So you can choose to select all those stuffs. So do you utilize sponsored listing in pay per click, search engines? So no, because if you select yes, this means that you are going to categorize your website as those people who just pay for people to just click on their website URL to get visitors. So utilize, okay, my it accepts coupons. And you see, do you utilize a browser add-on toolbar on your downloadable application? So you can select no, and then do you have an advertising network or affiliate network? You can select yes or no. So let me choose no because I don't have any of these. So do you have a network of publishers which you deliver ads? So yes. Okay. And do you display advertisement on sites that you don't own? So you can select yes or no. So um I can choose to select no. Yes, let me select no because I don't do any of these. Yes, so now you are on the contact section. So just leave your email address over here. Yes, just leave your email address. So let me type in any of my email addresses over here. Yes, I'm just going to type in my email address over here. And guys, this is how. So far as I'm loading my I'm searching for my email address because I have a lot of emails. So let me just go to my YouTube then search for my email address on my computer. So let me do that right now. You can see. All right. Okay. 7426@gmail.com. All right. So guys, this is how do that. So let me do. I've now typed in my email address. So you can see currently you have an account on file that matches the email address. So now let me change that. All right. So let me change that over here. Warning: we currently have an account on file that matches with the email address you entered. So you can click on edit over here to edit your email address over here. So let me edit that and then type in my other email addresses. Choose any of them over here. So let me go to my YouTube again, and okay, let me come to let me choose any of these. All right, so let me use this email address that I created for all right. All right, so now let me hit on step 4 and see whether this one or two is also having an account. So it says one, and we have an account that matches with the email address. If you already have an account, affiliate, or already submitted application, please use the link below to access it. So I don't have an account with this email address, so let me cancel this and then come to this session again. So I have so many email addresses. I didn't know that Okay, let me use this over here. So that is it. Close. Got it. Let me come to the session. All right, so guys, now I have another one over here, or you can choose to continue with it. So I just want to show you the legitimate way of creating your ShareAsale account. So let me use this. All right, so let me use this. All right, so as for this, I haven't used it to create any of these accounts. So you can see over here it says your first name, last name, and all those stuff. So let me type in my first name over here. So I'll just type in my first name. All right, and then type in my last name over here. All right, so I'll just check payable to. So just type in your full name over here. All right, so all right, and then you come to the section of phone number. So just type in your phone number. All right, so now let's come to address line 1. Just type in your random address over here. So type in your correct address, and then you come to the section again where it says line 2. Just type in your location and all those stuff. So just type in your location, and you come to the city. You just type in your city over here. All right, so let's come to the province or state. You just type in Accra, and then you come to the zip code. Ghana's zip code is 00233. So just type in that. So, and you can see your support pin is 31, all those stuff. So just how you can copy it in case you have any issue with them. So just come to this section where it says program description and all those stuff. So you come to go to ChatGPT, and then you ask ChatGPT to help you write. So provide a brief of description of your site. So my site, you can type in any of these. So because I want it to be very fast and all those stuff, so I'll just so yes, I owe my website over here. So I'll hit on that. So describe your description. My website is in the how to is in the make money online niche, and I teach people on how to make online. I also promote links on my site. I get over 100,000 visitors per month from Google and other SEO platforms. So now other platforms, and I don't I promote only high quality so I promote high quality products. Alright, so now you see it says 1240, so you just have to type in 240 characters. So you can see over here that it says so an incentive program is a website that rewards visitors for performing actions. For example, pay to read. So now it says no because you don't promote all those stuff. So just come to the section where it says, do you own your domain? This website over here, it says yes. So now it's about time for us to go to step 5. So I've already hit on step 5 over here. So it says you see that it's loading on top over there. So just wait for it to load, and right after loading you can see over here it says payment page, secure payment information. So you just have to come to the section which says you can choose to set that later. So I'll hit on set that later or choose later. So you can see over here side it says choose later. So I can hit on complete sign up over here, and now my account will be created as simple as that. So I have already hit on complete sign up because I will choose my payment details later. So just wait for it to load. Let me complete over here. It says complete sign up later, and you can see that come to the section where it says you have to scroll through this over here, and you can read to understand their terms of service, and you just have to check this box over here, this small box over here, and then you have to verify over here that the sign up information you provided is accurate to the best of my knowledge. So you just have to complete sign up over here, and then boom, you can see your account will be created successfully. So you can see thank you for your application, we have sent you email over here. So now you can go to your email to verify your email address. So I have already, you can see ShareAsale sign up confirmation. So I'll just go to my email box to verify my verify. So I'll just have to copy this in order to complete the sign up. Very easy for me because iPhone is different from this phone. So I'll just come to the session, just paste the link over here, and then go, and then I'll just log in with these same details over here. So let me just log in with that details. Now you can see thank you for your information and all those stuff. So now my account has been completed. So you can see thank you for your application to ShareAsale. Please verify information below, and you see now you can see your website listed, and you can see this website is my, I can hit on that, and then you visit the website over here. Let me use Safari to visit my website to show you guys this is my real website that I'm using. So you can see over here this is my website. You can see if you already, if you always visit this thing YouTube channel, you can see that I always use this website in the description below. So you can see over here, let me close this thing from it, and then you can do this session over here. So you can see I've already updated this website over here. So now this is my account being created on ShareAsale. So that's how we create ShareAsale account. And if you have any question concerning what I taught you, you can leave that in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop one amazing video like this, YouTube will send notifications instantly, guys. So guys, thank you very much for your time. See you in my next video. Stay safe, and then peace out.